Have you ever noticed how certain colors make you feel energized, calm, or even confident? Colors have a profound impact on our emotions and the energy we radiate, which can directly affect what we attract into our lives. By using specific colors intentionally, you can create the energy you need to manifest your desires. Whether it's love, wealth, success, or inner peace, the colors you surround yourself with can help draw those things closer to you. Let's dive into how you can use the power of color to attract exactly what you want. Red for passion and confidence. Red is the color of passion, vitality, and action. It is the color that sparks movement, motivates you to take risks, and gives you the courage to pursue your goals fearlessly. If you want to attract love, romance, or anything that requires bold action, wearing red clothing or incorporating red into your home decor can help ignite that energy within you. Red is also a powerful color for attracting career opportunities, as it gives you a boost of confidence and the drive to take on challenges. Whether it's a red outfit for an important meeting or a red candle to set your intentions, use this color to fuel your desires with intensity and courage. Red also stimulates the physical senses, heightening your awareness and awakening your inner fire. It is a color that commands attention, and when used strategically, it can help you stand out in both personal and professional settings. Adding red elements to your workspace, such as a red notebook or desk accessory, can inspire you to be more proactive and take initiative in achieving your goals. Moreover, red is linked to our root chakra, which is the foundation of our physical and emotional security. By balancing this chakra with red, you can ground yourself and build a stable foundation for future success. Orange for creativity and joy. Orange is a vibrant and cheerful color that embodies creativity, warmth, and enthusiasm. It is the color of social interactions, spontaneity, and joy. If you want to attract more happiness and creativity into your life, consider adding orange to your surroundings. This can be as simple as wearing orange clothing, placing orange flowers in your home, or lighting an orange candle while you work on a creative project. Orange is also known to help break through mental blocks and open up new possibilities, making it an ideal color for artists, entrepreneurs, or anyone looking to think outside the box. In addition to sparking creativity, orange also helps boost your energy levels and enhances your sense of adventure. It encourages you to embrace change and take on new experiences with excitement and optimism. Incorporating orange into your kitchen or dining area can help create a warm and welcoming atmosphere, perfect for social gatherings and fostering deeper connections with others. Orange's joyful energy helps you maintain a positive attitude even during challenging times. It is also associated with the sacral chakra, which governs our emotions and desires. By working with the energy of orange, you can enhance your ability to experience pleasure, express yourself, and connect with others on a deeper level. Yellow for abundance and positivity. Yellow is the color of sunlight, positivity, and abundance. It helps stimulate mental clarity and brings a sense of optimism and joy. If you want to attract prosperity and abundance, adding shades of yellow to your environment can help you vibrate at a higher frequency. Yellow is also an excellent color for promoting self-confidence and lifting your spirits. Try wearing yellow when you want to attract new opportunities or tap into your inner power. Surrounding yourself with yellow elements, like flowers, cushions, or wall art, can help you stay focused on your goals and maintain a positive outlook on life. Yellow also has the power to enhance concentration and stimulate intellectual growth. It is a great color to incorporate into your study or workspace if you want to improve focus and productivity. Adding yellow accents, such as a bright lamp or stationery, can help create an environment that encourages learning and problem solving. Yellow's vibrant energy can also help dispel negative thoughts and bring about a sense of joy and enthusiasm, making it easier to stay motivated and take consistent action towards your dreams. Yellow is linked to the solar plexus chakra, which is the center of our personal power and self-worth. Working with yellow can help you build confidence, strengthen your willpower, and overcome challenges with determination. Green for growth and healing. Green is the color of nature, growth, and renewal. It is deeply connected to healing, harmony, and prosperity. If you're looking to attract financial growth or improve your health, incorporating green into your space can be very powerful. Green is a calming color that encourages balance, making it perfect for anyone who wants to attract stability and growth. Adding green plants to your home or workplace is an excellent way to infuse the energy of growth and healing into your daily life. Wearing green can also help you connect to the natural world, bringing a sense of peace and grounding to your energy. Green also symbolizes abundance and fertility, making it an ideal color for manifesting wealth and new opportunities. Adding green to your office can create an atmosphere of prosperity and success, encouraging the growth of ideas and financial ventures. Green is also associated with the heart chakra, which governs our ability to give and receive love. By incorporating green into your environment, you can foster emotional healing, open your heart to new possibilities, and cultivate compassion for yourself and others. Green's soothing energy also helps to release pent-up emotions, allowing you to let go of resentment and embrace forgiveness. Blue for calm and communication. Blue is the color of tranquility, wisdom, and communication. It helps soothe the mind and encourages clear expression. If you want to attract better communication, inner peace, or enhance your intuitive abilities, blue is the color for you. Whether it's light blue for a calming effect, or a dark blue for a sense of depth and wisdom, adding this color to your wardrobe or home can help foster better relationships and peace of mind. Consider incorporating blue into your bedroom for restful sleep, or wearing blue during conversations where you want to communicate clearly and effectively. Blue also encourages honesty and transparency, helping you express your thoughts and emotions more openly. It is a color that promotes trust and understanding, making it ideal for enhancing both personal and professional relationships. Adding blue elements to your living room or workspace can help create a calming environment that encourages open dialogue and reduces tension. Blue's connection to the throat chakra also makes it a powerful tool for those seeking to improve public speaking skills or express their truth with confidence. Additionally, blue helps to stimulate intuition and insight, allowing you to connect more deeply with your inner wisdom. Purple for spirituality and intuition. Purple is a color that is often associated with spiritual growth, wisdom, and deep intuition. It has a high vibrational frequency that helps connect you to your higher self and the divine. If you're looking to attract spiritual insights, deeper meditation experiences, or a sense of purpose, using purple in your surroundings can be very beneficial. Adding purple elements like amethyst crystals, violet candles, or wearing purple clothing during meditation can help enhance your intuitive abilities and align you with your spiritual path. Purple also represents transformation and magic, making it an ideal color for those seeking profound change in their lives. By incorporating purple into your meditation space or spiritual altar, you can create an environment that encourages deep introspection and spiritual awakening. Purple's connection to the crown chakra allows you to tap into higher states of consciousness, helping you gain insight into your life's purpose and receive guidance from the universe. Adding purple to your creative spaces can also inspire imagination and bring a sense of wonder and possibility to your work. The energy of purple can also help you release old patterns and embrace new ways of thinking, allowing for personal and spiritual transformation. Pink for love and compassion. Pink is the color of unconditional love, compassion, and nurturing energy. It is gentle, soothing, and associated with attracting love, both self-love and love from others. If you are looking to invite more love into your life, pink is your color. Surround yourself with pink flowers, wear pink clothing, or decorate your bedroom with soft pink accents to create an environment of love and kindness. Pink also helps heal emotional wounds and encourages forgiveness, making it an excellent color to work with if you want to improve your relationships or open your heart to new possibilities. Pink's gentle energy also promotes emotional balance and helps release feelings of anger or resentment. It encourages empathy and understanding, making it easier to connect with others on a deeper level. Adding pink to your home, especially in areas where you relax or spend time with loved ones, can help create a warm and nurturing atmosphere. Pink is also beneficial for enhancing self-care routines, reminding you to treat yourself with kindness and prioritize your well-being. Pink is linked to the heart chakra, and its nurturing energy helps to foster self-acceptance and cultivate a deeper sense of love and compassion for yourself and others. White, for clarity and new beginnings. White represents purity, clarity, and new beginnings. It is the color of fresh starts and is often used for cleansing and releasing old energy to make way for the new. If you are looking to start over, cleanse your space, or invite clarity into your life, white is the color you should incorporate. Using white candles during meditation, wearing white clothing, or even adding white decor to your home can help bring a sense of renewal and simplicity. White helps clear away confusion and allows you to see things as they truly are, making it a powerful tool for manifesting new beginnings. White also symbolizes spiritual protection, creating a shield against negative energy and promoting a sense of peace and serenity. Incorporating white into your bedroom or meditation space can help create a calming environment that supports restful sleep and introspection. White is also an excellent color for decluttering both your physical space and your mind, allowing you to release what no longer serves you and make room for new opportunities and growth. Using white in your home can bring a sense of spaciousness and openness, encouraging a fresh perspective. It also enhances the energy of other colors, creating a harmonious balance that supports your overall well-being. Black for protection and power. Black is a color that symbolizes protection, strength, and mystery. It absorbs negative energy and provides a sense of empowerment. If you are looking to protect yourself from negativity or attract a sense of authority and inner strength, black is the ideal color. Wearing black can give you a sense of confidence and command, while using black crystals like obsidian or onyx can help shield your energy from harmful influences. Black can also be used in your space to create an aura of mystery and depth, helping you connect with your inner power. Black also encourages introspection and self-discovery, helping you confront your fears and embrace your true self. It is a color that represents resilience and the ability to navigate through difficult times with strength and determination. Adding black elements to your workspace or personal altar can help you tap into your inner power and stay focused on your goals, even in the face of challenges. Black's grounding energy can also provide stability and protection, making it an excellent color for creating boundaries and maintaining a sense of control over your life. Black is often used to represent the unknown, and by working with its energy, you can uncover hidden truths and gain a deeper understanding of yourself and your journey. How to use colors effectively. To harness the power of colors, start by identifying what you want to attract into your life. Once you've identified your goal, choose a color that aligns with that intention. Here are some effective ways to incorporate color into your daily life. Clothing. Wear clothing in the color that corresponds with your goal. For example, if you want to attract love, wear pink or red. If you need to feel confident and powerful, wear black. Home decor. Add elements of the desired color to your living space. This could be through cushions, curtains, artwork, or even fresh flowers. Surrounding yourself with the colors that represent your desires helps reinforce those intentions on a daily basis. Candles. Burning candles in specific colors is a simple yet powerful way to set an intention. Light a candle in the color that represents your goal and focus on your desire as it burns. Candle rituals can be particularly effective for manifesting specific outcomes, as the flame symbolizes transformation and the release of your intention into the universe. Carry crystals. Carry crystals of the corresponding color with you, or place them in your home. Crystals hold unique vibrational energies that align with specific colors and intentions. Placing crystals in key areas of your home or workspace can amplify the energy of your intentions and help you stay focused on your goals. Visualization. During meditation or visualization exercises, imagine yourself surrounded by the color that represents your intention. Picture it enveloping you, filling you with its energy, and helping you manifest your desires. Visualization is a powerful tool that helps align your subconscious mind with your conscious desires, making it easier to attract what you want. Final thoughts. Colors are more than just visual elements. They are powerful tools that can shape the energy around you and help you manifest your goals. By intentionally using colors that resonate with your desires, you can create an environment that supports and amplifies your intentions. Whether you want to attract love, prosperity, success, or inner peace, the colors you choose to surround yourself with can make all the difference. Start experimenting with colors today and watch as your life transforms in beautiful, vibrant ways. Remember, the key to using colors effectively is to be intentional. The more you focus on the energy you want to create, the more you will see your desires manifest into reality. Surround yourself with the colors that align with your goals and let their energy guide you towards the life you truly want to live. Be patient and trust the process. Every color you use adds another layer of energy, helping you build the life you've always dreamed of. Let the magic of colors fill your world and bring you closer to everything your heart desires.